Hello, my friends. My name is Fairy Belle, and I am a book fairy. Today, we're going to be reading a book called Mama's Chickens. Mama didn't want to get chickens. They are noisy and they poop everywhere. I don't even like eggs, she said. The day they arrived, she changed her mind. She loved how their feathers changed colour in the sun, and how they followed her around the backyard, and how they pecked at the back door when they were ready to be put away for the night. She even gave them names. Her favourite was Chucky Lala. At first, Chucky Lala didn't want to be with the other chickens. She was too busy exploring. She's independent. I like that. She reminds me of you, Mama said. Mama would sit quietly in the backyard with a pile of vegetable scraps at her feet, waiting patiently for Chucky Lala to trust her. It didn't take long. When Mama started to lose her memory, it still made her happy to sit and watch the chickens scratch in the sunshine. They still followed her around, even when she forgot where she was going. Even though Mama couldn't always remember their names, she would still make sure they were safe and warm at bedtime. Chucky Lala would get upset when Mama sometimes got cranky for no reason. She didn't understand, and it made her want to run and hide. Mama would search for her and say she was sorry. She didn't mean it. Every day, Mama took very good care of her chickens. It didn't matter when she couldn't speak anymore. The chickens understood exactly what she was trying to say. Mama showed them every day just how much she loved them. And that was something they would never forget. And that's the end of the story. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you very much for believing in me. And don't forget, this fairy believes in you too.